The Pan Test for Pancakes. Cook like Ukrainians. Mlynці. Pancakes are an ancient dish. Scientists have analyzed the remains of grains on grinding tools used by cooks thousands of years ago. A pancake is a round cake made of dough, fried on both sides. Actually, pancakes, cheesecakes and flat cakes have more or less the same cooking technique. Long before ovens were invented, people roasted such cakes on hot stones. One of the arguments that our favorite pancake breakfast is thousands of years old is that pancakes are standard worldwide. For example, the ancient Greeks and Romans ate them. They even poured honey over pancakes. In general, pancakes are found around the globe. Today, we will cook them the way Ukrainians do. Cook like Ukrainians. The cooking dough process is a kind of meditation. Once I already had an attempt to cook the dough with my son. It was fun, but not a single pancake came out as a result. We decided to try again. we are testing two pans. The first is classic with a non-stick coating. The second is so-called stone, on which nothing burns either. What kind of pancakes taste better? There are actually differences. The stone pan takes a little longer to heat up, and pancakes are often cooked on it for longer than 10 to 50 seconds on each side. The taste of pancakes in a black ordinary frying pan is classic fried, and on a stone blue one it is rather baked, even though they look the same. Which ones do we like best? Both types. The plate was emptied the same day, same night. You can add absolutely any toppings to pancakes: cottage cheese, caviar, jam, fresh fruit, condensed milk. Use your imagination. Next time we will learn how to make nalisniki out of pancakes. Cook like Ukrainians.